question 9. A truck of mass 180 kilograms runs on smooth horizontal rails. A light inextensible rope is attached to the front of the truck. The rope runs parallel to the rails until it passes over a light smooth pulley. The rest of the rope hangs down a vertical shaft. When the truck is required to move, a load of m kilograms is attached to the end of the rope in the shaft and the brakes are then released. Okay, so it's basically another pulley question. You've got the tension pulling your object to the side. You've also got a normal reaction because it's resting on the rails, but that probably won't come into the question. It does say it's smooth as well, so it doesn't look like there's any force in this direction trying to slow it down. And then the load of m kilograms is hanging vertically with the tension pointing up towards the pulley there. So the question then says, find the tension in the rope when the truck and the load move with an acceleration of 0.8 and calculate the corresponding value of m. So rather than not knowing the acceleration and the tension, this time we don't know the mass and the tension, but we do it exactly the same way. So the one hanging in the vertical plane is going to drop downwards, and the one in the horizontal direction is going to move towards the edge, okay, sideways. So when we apply F equals ma for the truck, we're going to apply it sideways towards the edge, and there's only the T force pulling it sideways. The 180G and the R do not come into this equation, and there's nothing to minus by the look of it. And then that will equal 180 times acceleration 0.8. So actually we can work out the tension immediately, as we don't need simultaneous equations this time. So that's 144 newtons. Then when we do F equals ma for, what are they calling it, the load, let's just call it L, that would be downwards. So the force pulling it down is mg minus the tension, and then that would be m times 0.8 for the ma bit. Okay, so basically we've got 9.8 m, take away 144 is 0.8 m. And we can solve that equation. We can just hop the 0.8 m across to make 9, hop the 144 over to make positive 144, and then we just need to divide to get 16. And these sorts of questions, you would expect nice answers. If you got a horrible decimal, maybe go back and check your working, because you wouldn't really expect horrible answers.